Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, the two systems at the National Hurricane Center and I are keeping a watchful eye on. One of them has the potential to have some impact here, not in terms of rain and wind, but waves, and that really wouldn't be until early next week. So here's the situation. Tropical storm Gaston with winds almost at hurricane strength. Now this is way out in the eastern Atlantic. And the other system is near Puerto Rico. Here's the southeast coast of the U.S. and Florida, the Bahamas. This is what we call a tropical wave. It's a cluster of thunderstorms. It's trying to get organized into a tropical storm, at least and possibly a hurricane. Not yet. And we have a number of forecast models that we use to see where this may go. Each line represents a forecast track. And what's unsettling is that A, this has the potential to be a storm a couple of days down the road, and B, notice the forecast cluster all towards Florida and the Gulf of Mexico. So something that'll have to be watched very closely now through early next week. Meanwhile, Tropical Storm Gaston with winds of 70 miles per hour, just shy of hurricane strength. Let me give you the latest coordinates from the National Hurricane Center. Winds of 70 moving northwest at 16, and this could be the wave maker here, but not until early next week. The forecast track thinking hasn't really changed here, tracking northwest, west, and back to the north by Monday of next week into the central Atlantic. And a storm in this position most of the time does not make that hard left-hand turn back towards the U.S. coastline. So this will more than likely stay out in the central Atlantic and move away. However, the wave energy can travel hundreds of miles. This is the high wave forecast. And no surprise, near the center of the storm, of course, the waves are very large. This is by Monday. And some of that wave energy will try to go towards our coastline. So some building swells offshore and some building surf at area beaches either Monday or Tuesday of next week. But as far as rain and wind from this system, not concerned about that. However, the system that comes through Florida and the Gulf of Mexico, really all interest along the southeast coast. We'll have to watch this very closely over the weekend and early next week. We are quiet in Providence, clear skies on the beautiful summer night, temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s, including 71 in Providence, as well as Newport. Taunton coming in at 68. Tonight, not quite as cool as the last couple of nights. Skies are generally clear. We'll keep that right on through the overnight. System responsible for the severe weather across the upper Midwest continues. I'm tracking this cold front, and this is back through the northern plains. It'll take until Friday to get here. So that's the next chance of either a passing shower or thunderstorm as this cold front draws closer on Friday. It doesn't look like a widespread rain, kind of hit and miss, but some showers nonetheless. Futurecast starts off this evening and overnight. It's a beautiful night, clear skies and comfortable. Temps dropping down to the mid and upper 60s. 6 o'clock in the morning, we're close to 70 with sunshine. Another beautiful day coming up. Here we are by 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Lower 80s inland, upper 70s to near 80 at the beaches. Advance things to tomorrow night at around 9 o'clock. We're clear to partly cloudy with temperatures in the lower 70s. A lot of sunshine tomorrow morning. Beautiful start to the day. Temperatures rising through the 70s, and then during the afternoon, about 82, 83 with mainly sunny skies. So a great day. Beaches look good again, like so many days this summer season. Air temperature 78, water temp coming in at 75. 7-day Futurecast Friday, not only a much warmer day, but very humid. And again, with the approach of that cold front, a couple of isolated showers or a passing thunderstorm. I'm thinking afternoon into the early evening hours. That front will move offshore, and then here comes dry, warm, comfortable air. Beautiful weekend, both Saturday and Sunday. Sunshine, daytime highs between 80 and 85, and nighttime readings in the upper 60s. So in these final days of summer vacation for some students, looking good tomorrow and a quick shower on Friday. Nice weekend.
All right. Thanks, Tony.